So now that we have mold release on the other fingertip mold, going to install that. Hopefully now it's actually in a focus range where you can actually see what I'm doing. Again, we have the small slit in the part. I'm going to slide the circuit board onto that and press these fiducials onto where they belong. Small tweezers work well for this. Press that there. Basically want to press on all four little pads to make sure they're seated onto the plug. Let me fold this board on the tip. Press that on. It may be a little stubborn. The mold release makes the mold very slippery, so you have to be very careful holding this. And try not to get any mold release on the top of the part. As you can imagine, nothing would stick, then we'd have problems. Let's take the other base. It's the top of the medial mold. Again, D points to distal. I know it's kind of shit to read, but it's my system, it works. Push on all four of these, get them nice and seated. Okay, so these are ready to be molded onto the distal and proximal pads. This is the other half of the distal mold, and then these are the other halves of the proximal molds. So it's time to start mixing some urethane.